how much 1 million Hamster Combat profit per hour is worth. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're diving into the world of Hamster Combat to calculate your potential profit per hour. We'll break down how to figure out how much that 1 million profit per hour could actually be worth when the airdrop launches. Our main focus will be on calculating the profit per hour, excluding the hamster token and your current level in Hamster Combat. Now I know what you're thinking. How can I possibly calculate my potential earnings? Well, we're going to use a method similar to what we've seen with other crypto games like NotCoin. But don't worry, we're keeping it simple and focusing solely on profit per hour. We won't be diving into the complexities of the hamster token or your current level. Let's start with a real-world example. Looking here where it says profit per hour, I'm currently making about 500K profit per hour in Hamster Combat. To calculate potential earnings, we'll use a hypothetical profit per hour of 1 million. So let's dive right in. First, go to your calculator, just like this. We're going to use a similar method to calculating profit in other crypto games. Let's take a hypothetical profit per hour of 1 million as an example. The next step is to divide this by 1,000. When divided by 1,000, you will get 1,000. Next, we need to find the price of the hamster coin in relation to a stable coin like USDT. We'll use the pre-launch token price on Bybit. So, we go to the Bybit app. On your Bybit app, click on More right here. Here you are going to see a bunch of different options. Head over to pre-market trading just like this. Now, look for HMSTR and choose it. Looking here at the last traded price, which is 0.22 USDT, and the floor price here is 0.001 USDT. Let's multiply our result by 0.001 USDT, which is the floor price. Head over to the calculator again. Now multiply 1,000 by 0.001 USDT. Now, looking here, you're going to see our result. We have one. You can stand to get 1 USDT if your profit per hour is the same thing. This is a presumption and not the actual gain once Hamster Combat gets to launch, because the price in the pre-sale market is much lower than what Hamster Combat is going to launch with. And that's how you can calculate your profit per hour to estimate your gains once Hamster Combat launches. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.